Hey everybody, Dr. Steven here. So I want to show you just something right behind me over my right, your left side. It's a Corona typing machine. We would know it as a typewriter, of course. But my mother passed away 2 years, or excuse me, about a year and 3 months ago. We just had the funeral this past June. And this was in her estate. This is my great uncle's typewriter. And when it was built in 1920, it was called a Corona typing machine. And it's about over 100 years old. My great uncle served in the United States Army during World War II in Panama. And he was a soldier, but one of his responsibilities was typing and responding to press releases and to communicate with the country what was going on in World War II. So this typewriter actually did some amazing things back in those days. And you guys have the opportunity over the next couple of weeks to finish your final papers. And it's going to be a whole lot easier than that typewriter, I assure you. So here's what we got lined up for this week. There's a little video. It's the first time I've done this. It's actually a teaching video, and it's based on a book by Richard Niebuhr called Christ and Culture. And I'll talk about it in the little video that you'll see. And I think it's just a remarkable perspective on how culture is defined by how we view scripture and those kinds of things. So I want you to watch the video and then respond to that question. And then the other video will be based, of course, upon the readings. And then the other thing you need to start working on is that by the end of the class, the end of week 7, we need to have a 6 to 8 page, double-spaced, of course, paper. And 6 pages is fine. Based on something that resonated with you, either in the videos or in the readings. And all I'm asking for is a thoughtful paper. This is not an extraordinary research paper or anything like that, but a paper with at least 3 outside sources. So that would be your textbook, Palmer, that's fine, and at least 2 other resources, and of course the Bible, but don't count the Bible as one of your 3. So the Bible plus 3 outside resources. And just talk about that subject, okay? And you're all going to do great because I've been enjoying all of your discussion threads. I've been looking at all your papers. You guys are just nailing it. You're all going to do great. So this week, let's watch the Christ and Culture video. Let's continue the readings. Let's respond to the 2 discussion threads. Let's continue with the weekly submissions of either the 1-page personal journal, or the 3-page C.S. Lewis journal. I'm sorry, I'm having a hard time talking today. I don't know why. But hey, let's just have a great time, and I'll see you guys in the discussion threads.